Let's practice mental math. How can we add 56 and 18 in an easy way? Numbers like 10, 20, 30, or 40 are friendly numbers, meaning they are numbers ending with 0, and they are easier to add. Back to our example. Let's see what friendly number is closest to 56. It is 60. To turn 56 into 60, we have to add 4 to it. But if we are adding something to one number, we also have to subtract the same from the other number. So we also subtract 4 from 18. That way, we have 60 plus 14. It looks much easier now, right? I'm sure you already see the answer. It's 74. So, 56 plus 18 is 74.